Welcome back. I'm Rhea Rivers. This is night 4 of your 28-night nervous system reset, a journey designed to help you overcome insomnia and fall into a deep, restorative sleep. Tonight, we address the physical weight of your day. We are practicing emptying the vessel, a visualization specifically designed to release the tension held in your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. By the end of this session, your body will feel light, your muscles will be soft, and you will be ready for the uninterrupted sleep you've been craving. If you're just finding this 28-night reset tonight, and you'd like to begin from the very first night, you can find night 1 waiting for you in the playlist below. For now, simply rest here with me. Your body has carried you all day. Now it is time for you to carry it into rest. Let the world outside your room begin to dissolve. Inhale deeply, pulling the air down into your belly. Hold it briefly. And exhale with a long, slow sigh. Imagine you have returned to the warmth of our sanctuary cottage. A soft amber glow from the hearth bathes the room. You are sitting by the window, holding a handcrafted ceramic vessel in your hands. The vessel is beautiful, but it is heavy. It is filled with the grit, the noise, and the rigid energy of the day. Listen. The only sound is the crackle of the fire and the slow rhythm of your own breath. Breathe in, feeling the warmth of the room on your skin. Breathe out, noticing where your body is gripping. Let's start with your jaw. Many of us hold our unspoken words and our stress right here. Inhale, and as you hold the breath, gently clench your teeth for just a moment. Now exhale, and imagine pouring that tension out of your jaw and into the vessel. Let your teeth part. Let your tongue drop away from the roof of your mouth. Whisper to yourself, I have nothing more to say to the day. I am releasing the weight of my words. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. This is where the heavy cloak of responsibility likes to rest. Inhale, slowly shrugging your shoulders up toward your ears. Hold it. And as you exhale, drop them completely. Imagine the tension flowing like liquid gold down your arms, out through your fingertips, and into the vessel. The vessel is catching it all. Your body is becoming lighter. Inhale the scent of cedar wood and peace. Exhale and feel the back of your neck soften and lengthen. I am not required to carry the world tonight. My only task is to be still. Your nervous system is beginning to understand. The armor is no longer needed. You are safe inside these walls. Visualize the vessel now, nearly full of the day's heaviness. Imagine walking to the window and pouring it out into the dark, cool earth outside. Watch it disappear. The vessel is now empty. You are now empty. Take a long cleansing breath in. And let it out like a gentle wave, clearing away any remaining shadows. Let this affirmation settle. My body is a sanctuary of rest. Every muscle is allowed to let go. Now move back to the bed of soft, cool linens. As you lie down, feel how much deeper you sink into the mattress tonight. Your shoulders are wide, your jaw is slack, your throat is open. Inhale the stillness of the cottage. Exhale and feel a wave of relaxation move from the base of your skull down to the tips of your toes. Remind your heart, I trust my body to find its way back to sleep. Imagine a soft golden light, the color of the hearth fire, starting at your forehead. It smooths the skin between your brows. It melts the tension in your temples. It flows over your shoulders like warm oil. Turning every tight fiber into soft silk. Breathe into your belly, feeling the rise and fall. A slow, effortless tide. You are safe. You are light. You are empty of the day. Each breath you take now is a stitch in the fabric of your healing. Your nervous system is in rest and repair mode. There is no danger here. Breathe in the warmth of the fire. Breathe out and let your mind go soft and dark, like the embers in the hearth. If a thought tries to tighten your chest, simply breathe into it. See it as smoke rising from the chimney, drifting up and away into the vast silent night. My sleep is a sacred space. I enter it now with ease. You are drifting further from the shore of the physical world. The shadows of the cottage are gentle. They are holding you in a cocoon of warmth. Your heart is steady. Your mind is clear. The fire will keep you warm while you are away. We will be here to meet you again for night 5. But for now, there is only the warmth. Only the softness. Only the deep, restorative quiet. One last deep breath in. Hold it, savoring the lightness of your body. And release everything. Sleep now in the temple of your rest. Into the dream.